guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a watch me transform video. Just because we are preggy does not mean we cannot slay. Okay, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So shall we go from looking like this, please? It's not a cute look at all. It's not. Anyway, first things first, I'm just going to start off with my face as always, and I'm going in with my Clinique Moisture Surge. I love this stuff right now, especially during this Harmattan season. I love it so much. I'm just applying this all over my face. Next up, I'm going in with my Rimmel Primer, and I'm applying this also on my face to act as a base for my foundation. So for my foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and I love this foundation so much, guys. Like, it is so good. It has a perfect sweet finish, but for some reason I don't know why it was looking so light on camera. I have no freaking idea what happened. Anyway, I'm also adding my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm applying this under my eyes and all the places I like to cover up and highlight, and I'm also going to be adding my Zaron concealer in the shade Light just to add more highlights under my eyes. So I'm going to be setting down my concealer now. I'm going to be using two different powders, the Sacha Buttercup powder and the LA Colors powder in the shade Light. Applying this under my eyes and every other place that I applied concealer. And then next up, I'm going in with my Flawless Ivy Compact palette. I'm going in with one of the yellow shades there, and I'm going to be using this to dust off the excess powder and also to set the rest of my face. So I'm going in with my Zaron Face Definer. I'm using the bronzer in the middle to contour. I'm just contouring basically the sides of my face that I just want to bring back warmth and dimension and just take away this ghostly look from my face right now. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose as well. I don't have much of a preggy nose going on, but I just like to do it, especially these days. I don't know why. For blush, I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in Red Vino, one of my absolute favorite blushes at the moment. I love, love, love this blush so freaking much. So for my brows, I'm using the Bomb Brow Pencil from Beauty King. I love this brow pencil so much, guys. I'm creating hair-like strokes with it, and I'm also using it to fill in my brows. It is really bomb brow, like no pun intended, but it is really bomb brow, guys. So I'm going to be cleaning up my brows now. I'm going to be using the same Zaron concealer I used earlier on, and I'm cleaning up the bottom of my brows, only the bottom of my brows. I've just been enjoying doing this recently. Something else I've just been enjoying doing, and I'm also going to be blending that out as well using a blending brush and also setting it with setting powder so that it does not crease up and it does not move all over the whole place. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jordana eye base. I haven't used this eye base in such a long time, guys. I literally just pulled this out of my stash today. So I'm going to be using that to prime my entire eyes. And then from eyeshadow, this eyeshadow palette today shocked the hell out of me. And this is the Zaron eyeshadow palette in Splash, guys. So I'm going to be using this shade called Burnt. It's like an orangey shade, but it appeared really red on camera. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm applying this in my crease as my first crease color, guys. See pigments. Are you kidding me? See the pigmentation. So I wanted to tone down that red a bit and just blend it out with my powder. So I picked up a brown powder from that compact palette, and I'm just using this to blend out the edges. Next up, I'm going in with this reddish pinkish shade called Flame. I'm also applying this in my crease as well. So next up, I'm cutting my crease because I want that lid color that I'm going to apply next to pop like it's popping out of my eyes. Like Anyway, you get my drift. I'm going in with the yellow gold shade called Funk. Guys, this shade. What kind of pigment did Zaron use in this palette? I'm not even understanding. Like, this shade was so freaking beautiful. Next, I'm going in with this navy blue shade called Mystery. It's a shimmer shade as well, and it's so pretty. I use this in the outer corners of my eyes. So lovely. I'm also going in with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal just to line my entire waterline. For mascara, I'm going in with the Zaron XOXO mascara. This is like a mini version of their lengthening mascara. Absolutely love it. If you have small lashes, you are going to like this. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Next, I'm going in with this green pencil from LA Girl. It's called Limelight. I love this pencil. I'm applying this on my lower lash line. And then going back into the palette, I'm using this green shade called Snatched. And I'm using that to set that green liner. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Going to apply my lashes off camera and then going in with highlights. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlights in the shade Molten Gold. You can see my reaction. Yes, that reaction, epic, you know. For my lips, I'm using the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino, my favorite lip liner. Guys, I don't even go near any other lip liner these days. I love this lip liner so much. And then for my lipstick, I'm also using the Zaron um, lipstick in the shade Buttercup. I think this is Buttercup. If it's not Buttercup, it will be in the description box below. And I'm also topping that with gloss. I'm using the e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Victoria. Absolutely love this combo. So, so pretty. The eyes are too busy, so of course. And I'm definitely finishing everything off with a Maribedescu spray and of course, magically wearing my hair. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. If you want to know where to get all the products I use, they would be in the description box below. Make sure you shop from Jumia. The Black Friday sales are almost over. You don't want to be left out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.